Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 8th provincial chapter of the Salesian province of Trichy was inaugurated at the shrine of Our Lady of Velankani on January 10, 2022 with a solemn Holy Eucharist and inaugural session presided by Reverend Dr. Susai Manikam Didi, Bishop Emeritus of Siva Gangai. He emphasized the commitment the religious are called to live. 63 Salesians of the province and 6 members of the Salesian family will deliberate on the theme Mission to Love the Young for 6 days. Father Agilant Provincial declared to open the chapter and is moderated by Father Arul Maran. January is the busiest month for Salesian celebrations of the saints and blesseds of the Salesian family. It begins with Blessed Titus Zemant on January 8 and then continues with Blessed Luigi Vieira on January 15. Blessed Laura Vicuna on the 22nd and St. Francis de Sales on the 24th, particularly important in this year in which Salesian celebrates the 400th anniversary of his death. And that's not all, because this year 30th falls on a Sunday, but we must not forget Blessed Bronislaw Markiewicz, and of course on the 31st St. John Bosco is celebrated. Readers are invited to regularly attend the Salesian Digital Library and in particular the sections relating to musical documents to find from time to time the news that will progressively be made available. Last Saturday, January 8, at the age of 77, the Salesian Don Francisco Leocata, one of the great Argentine philosophers of the 20th century as he has been defined, passed away. Many Salesians and lay people, his past pupils, admired in his teaching his clear capacity for communication and his realistic intellectual identity accompanied by a great openness towards reading, research and investigation, aimed at knowing and probing the different points of view in an attempt to save with a healthy critical attitude the positive aspects of the various positions. Don Leocata was born on July 28, 1944 in Catania, Italy, but at the age of 10 he reached Argentina with his family, a country that would become his homeland. He attended the Salesian Aspirantate and entered the novitiate in Moron de la Frontera in 1960. On 31st January of the following year, he made his first religious profession, confirmed with the perpetual profession issued on 31st December 1966 in Laria. He was ordained a priest on April 3, 1971 in Rome, where he also obtained his licentiate in theology. The Superior General of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians is from now on Grand Chancellor of the Pontifical Faculty of Educational Sciences Auxilium in Rome. The Holy Father Francis approved the proposal in the audience granted to the ECC.MO substitute for General Affairs of the Secretariat of State, Monsignor Edgar Pena Parra, on November 2, 2021. The official communication shall contain protocol number 853/2021. The Grand Chancellor is therefore now Mother Kyra Cazuela, current Superior General of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA. The Dean of the Auxilium Faculty, Professor Pyra Rufinato, on behalf of the entire academic community, thanks the Holy Father for this recognition as an act of esteem and trust in the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, and assures Mother Kyra Cazuela the collaboration to continue to qualify and give impetus to the cultural mission of the faculty at the service of the Universal Church and of the Institute. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.